Hey guys, it's time to boost up your productivity with some cool new gadgets. This time we'll equip you as if you're James Bond on another mission, some cool things to record bad guys' talks and gatherings, and some cool armor for epic battles. All the links to the products you'll find in the description box. Let's go! Everything new is actually well forgotten old. This adjustable wrench is inspired by a patent that's almost 100 years old. Smooth and satisfying sliding mechanism makes it extremely easy to adjust the clamp size. And thanks to the automatic locking, the jaws are held in place really tight. The wrench is machined from stainless steel, anodized aluminum, and carbon steel that ensure exceptional durability. Oh, and it's not just a wrench. Just flip this thing over to turn into a bottle or box opener. You might also use it as a fidget toy. The tool's fairly compact, so you'll have no problem carrying it in your bag or simply clip it to your belt hook. It's hard to impress someone with a Swiss Army knife, but we'll give it a try. Behold the largest multifunctional pen knife ever! This thing actually made it into the Guinness Book of World Records. The knife is 9 inches thick and includes 87 tools. That's literally every tool that has ever been used in such knives, from 14 blades to an endless amount of screwdrivers, wrenches, and all that. This knife is so complex that it could be assembled by hand only. But of course, it's basically useless and really easy to make fun of. Some reviewers on Amazon have noted that the knife has built them a new house or restored their truck all by itself. Others have suddenly found themselves on the moon or started a nuclear war by pulling out the wrong tool. So this version will probably be a bit safer to use. Although it's much more compact, this knife still features over 80 functions. Moreover, it has a built-in display that serves for timer, barometer, thermometer, and watch. It should be more than enough. There's only one type of butterflies for CSGO fans, the knives. And now they're coming from the game to the real world. The first thing you'll notice is the huge variety of colorful skins that cover both the blades and handles. That must be a tough choice to make. The opening mechanism is so smooth you can actually open it with one hand. The reinforced spring lock makes sure the knife won't open accidentally though. Featuring stainless steel blades and zinc alloy handles, the knives are razor sharp and sturdy as you'd expect. Thanks to the detachable handle, you're free to change the blade anytime. And on top of that, the package includes a nice sheath for storage and carrying. Carrying a regular set of keys is extremely inconvenient for several reasons. Too bulky, too noisy, too cluttered, yuck! But thankfully, there's a smart and innovative solution. This sleek key organizer looks like a Swiss Army knife. It's made from industrial-grade stainless steel, so it's extremely durable. This design allows the storage of up to 8 keys, and it's much easier to find the right one when you need it. Adding a new key takes a simple unscrewing. You can also use the device to carry a USB flash drive or other accessories. With an additional loop, you'll also be able to attach car keys and keychains. That's the thing we all needed. This portable pruner is an ultimate gardening tool. Delivering high chain speed, it cuts small branches, shrubs, and planks with ease. This thing uses a rechargeable battery that allows cordless use for 25 minutes straight. There's a backlit indicator that shows you the battery status. The lightweight design, along with the ergonomic non-slip handle, make the pruner really comfortable to hold. And despite its huge power, this thing doesn't make much noise. When you need to replace the chain, it can be done quickly without any additional tools. And here's another little guy that'll help you with various tasks, a compact and lightweight reciprocating saw. Its fast and powerful motor lets this thing cut through the toughest materials, whether it's copper or drywall. There's an integrated LED light that makes it much easier to work in low light. The saw also features a variable speed trigger and switch lock for safety. Changing the blade is a matter of seconds. All you need to feel like an almighty superhero is a massive gauntlet. With its minimalist futuristic design, this armor looks like it's made by Tony Stark. The integrated LED panels along with the transparent center chamber add up to this great design. Moreover, the light supports 2 different colors, blue and orange. There's a toggle switch on the gauntlet that lets you quickly turn on the lights and change the color mode. The gauntlet is handmade using durable plastic and aluminum. It only comes in one size that fits almost everyone. Since the gadget is battery-powered, you won't have to worry about charging. As a superhero, you have other things to do. When it comes to traditional paper notebooks, there's always a risk of spilling a cup of coffee on them. That's a nightmare. Now here are some innovative notebooks that are ready for pretty much everything. They're made of special synthetic paper that's both tear-proof and waterproof. You can literally drown them in water without any risk for your notes. Even a gallon of acid won't cause any damage. Otherwise, it's no different from the good old paper covered with a dot graph pattern. Except that this paper doesn't absorb ink, so you'd better use ballpoint pens and pencils. There are plenty of options varying in size, color, and number of pages. There's even a dedicated reporter's notebook that's easy to hold with one hand while you're writing with the other. This gadget is designed to keep you safe in any emergency case. First of all, it includes a bright flashlight. The strobe mode is especially useful when you're calling for help, or you might use this thing to activate a loud siren. Plus, it acts as a power bank so you can keep your phone charged when it's really crucial. The gadget's so compact, you can carry it on a lanyard, throw it in your bag, or use the integrated pocket clip. You should also consider this a great carabiner flashlight. It stands out with over 550 lumen brightness and a sturdy titanium body. And if you need some force, just use the sharp tip. If there's a spare pocket left in your wallet, this is the best way to fill it. Meet the Tool Card, the slimmest combination ever of 40 tools in one. Sized just like a regular credit card, this thing weighs just 1 ounce. But this one is made of stainless steel, so it's really hard to break or bend. As for the tools, there are all kinds of them. A dozen of metric and inch wrenches, wire cutter, Phillips, and flathead screwdrivers. The bottle opener and ruler should be no less useful. Another great feature is the removable money clip that can hold cash and several cards. So maybe you don't even need a wallet. Now this is definitely the most stylish drill ever. It's so compact and lightweight that you could take it for a pen. And it's no more difficult to use. Just press and hold the button under your thumb. The drill comes with 8 swappable bits. You can use these to work with wood, plastic, aluminum, and many other materials. Thanks to the all-aluminum body and one-piece molding, this thing is smooth and sturdy as it gets. It uses a USB-C port for charging and works around 2 hours on one charge. Amazing tool! A good voice recorder is indispensable when you need to record something. Whether it's a lecture, concert, or just a crazy idea, this thing allows surround recording within a 164-foot range. It only takes a push of a button. The device is basically the size of a lighter, so it easily fits in your pocket. There's 8 gigabytes of internal storage that can be extended with a TF card. All your records are automatically named and classified. You can always find the exact one you need. And if you worry about security, just set a password. What's more, this thing supports 2 recording formats, MP3 and WAV. It includes a micro USB port for charging and data transfer, along with a headphone jack. You might even use it as a player. When it comes to self-defense, a tactical pen should be no less useful than a knife. This option stands out with a particularly clean and classic design. And most importantly, the tool is machined from ultra-durable titanium alloy. The flat edges make the pen really comfortable to hold, even when it's used just for writing. It also features a built-in pocket clip that keeps the pen firmly attached either to your shirt or jacket. If you want this pen to look a bit more unusual, there's a cool gradient-colored version. This is the type of tool that's stylish and tough at the same time. Now this looks like another portable voice recorder, but this little guy can actually record both audio and video depending on the mode you choose. Switching between them is extremely easy with the slider on the right side, and the LED indicators will show you which mode is activated. Video resolution varies between the models, so you'd better go with the HD version. The built-in TF card slot allows up to 32 gigabytes of storage, plus you can plug this thing directly into your Android phone or PC for seamless data transfer. As for battery life, you'll get up to 5 hours of continuous video recording. Not bad for something the size of your car key.